You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the South Korean singer, member of KATSEYE. If you want to learn more names from K-pop and other member names, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from and listen to. South Korean pronunciation Korean. Yoonchae. Yoonchae. Therefore, it's quite easy. Just say Yoonchae. In English, Yoonchae. Korean, Yoonchae. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.